Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change flashlight brightness on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all we need to turn on our flashlight on our Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go to your quick setting panel, just swipe down your screen, swipe down one more time, and here you will be able to turn on your flashlight. You just need to click on this flashlight icon, and now my flashlight is activated, and we have to tap and hold on the flashlight like this, and here you'll be able to customize the brightness. You can slide to the left to make it dimmer, and then you're going to slide it to the right to make it brighter. Okay, and you can customize it as you want or as you need. I'm just going to make it dimmer like this. Once you're done, you can click on the done option. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change the flashlight brightness on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.